What if I told you that just 5 minutes a day could completely transform your life? Welcome to the Gratitude Challenge, the simplest life hack you never knew you needed. Imagine waking up every morning feeling lighter, happier, and more connected. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Science has proven that gratitude isn't just a feel-good concept. It's a powerful tool that can literally rewire your brain. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to harness its incredible potential. Let's get real for a moment. Gratitude isn't just about saying thank you. It's a neurological game changer. Research shows that practicing gratitude boosts dopamine and serotonin levels, reduces stress hormones by up to 23%, improves sleep quality, strengthens immune system function. But here's the mind-blowing part. These benefits aren't theoretical. They're scientifically proven and accessible to everyone, including you. Day 1. Gratitude journaling. Start simple. Grab a note and write down 3 things you're grateful for. No filter, no judgment. Day 2. Appreciation expression. Today's mission: tell someone how much they mean to you. A text, a call, a face-to-face conversation, your choice. Day 3. Mindful gratitude. Walk. Take a 15-minute walk. But this isn't just any walk. Notice everything around you. The trees, the sky, the random act of kindness you witnessed yesterday. Day 4. Gratitude meditation. 5 minutes. Close your eyes, breathe. Focus on moments of joy, connection, and unexpected beauty. Day 5. Reframe challenges. List 3 recent challenges. Now find the hidden gift in each one. Difficult conversation? Maybe it taught you patience. Missed opportunity? Perhaps it redirected you to something better. Day 6. Random acts of kindness. Do something unexpected for someone else. No strings attached. Pure generosity. Day 7. Reflection and integration. Review your journey. What changed? How do you feel different? Let's be real. This won't always be easy. Some days, gratitude will feel impossible. You'll be tired, frustrated, overwhelmed. Here's your survival guide. Start small. Be kind to yourself. Remember, perfection is not the goal. Progress is.